Welcome to this video on Guidewire certification. We'll cover the certification cost, syllabus, and provide valuable preparation tips to help you succeed. This guide is designed to boost your career by helping you master Guidewire training, insurance domain skills, and core platforms like PolicyCenter, ClaimCenter, and BillingCenter. Learn in-demand developer skills and explore real-time use cases to unlock high-paying Guidewire jobs. Why choose Guidewire certification? It provides insurance domain expertise and mastery of core tools, boosting your profile with in-demand skills and real-time project knowledge. Certification ensures career growth, technical depth, and long-term stability in the insurance IT industry, allowing you to easily crack Guidewire exams. Key features include core modules on PolicyCenter, ClaimCenter, and BillingCenter with real-time scenarios. The exam coverage helps you prepare with proven strategies. It promotes career growth by unlocking high-paying global opportunities and provides practical learning through real-time projects and lab. Earning this certification validates your expertise and improves job prospects globally. It offers a career boost with high-paying job opportunities worldwide, meets industry demand for job security and steady growth, and provides practical exposure through real-time projects. In conclusion, completing a Guidewire certification is a powerful step towards a successful career in insurance IT. It equips you with strong skills and hands-on expertise, positioning you for long-term success and stability in the ever-evolving insurance technology landscape. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please contact us via our website, email, or phone number listed on the screen. Thank you for watching this video. We wish you the best in your Guidewire certification journey.